Oh. Where's your brake? Cola, leave that be, you little terrorist. Back it up. Now that's headed downhill, right? You know how to get a kickstand turn?
I don't know where you pull it from.
I'm doing it.
Yeah.
How? So, just in case if you're ever on a slippery surface, put your foot here at the base. But don't stand too close to it. You stand close to it, you're trying too hard. You stand away from it, plus you're a little guy. I'm the man. But you being a little guy, this is your pool area. Same place you were grabbing the subframe. Now, as you do it, you're at your knees because you're a little guy. Okay?
Okay.
Try it.
Remember what I said? Yep. No, don't yank. You get your, so yeah, settle down, hunker down. No.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, you gotta bulk up for that. Your bike, I cleaned it up a little bit. You've got some cleaning to do from that mud. The body's easy because for the body, all we do is use the wax and dry. And then for the wheels, see that?
Yeah.
See that big no on it? No, don't use it for no body work. No, don't use it for no windscreen. If the body's dirty, use a dirty rag. Okay? You could also use that no on the swing arm. Wheels and swing arm, body. We got levers on it, pegs for the rear sets, and we got a new Hot Bodies windscreen. We didn't have that for the track day video. We only had this thing for a week now. A couple of mods came in. I definitely was ordering stuff pretty quick for it. Cool little bike, I dig it.
Huh? Okay, so when I'm coming around, should I hold the clutch while I'm coming around? Just to keep the bike on? Well, I'm gonna tell you that like it'll want to fall over if it's going too slow. So you just give it just a little, keep it on the throttle just a little. Okay, and that way you can lean it in and same thing, body position change to make it more comfortable for you. That's why I said have the clutch out.
Let that clutch out. I said let that clutch out. Huh? What? I know. That's why I told you let the clutch out. Now remember, you're coming in. This is your only steering, and you're gonna stifle it using the brakes. Remember, you can slow down with that and make sure you still got your control on that, so that if you need to give it a little bit of throttle, you just give it a little bit of throttle without complicating your brakes and brake and whiskey throttle and do all that stuff. And also, you're going in too tight. You're doing a shallow one, right? Why don't you go this way? Swoop, swoop. Remember how comfortable you were on the scooter to zoom, zoom, and swoop, swoop? This is the same bike. Slow down. Swoop. Yep. Clutch out. Keep killing your area, bringing it in. Literally come in and swoop, swoop. It's a swerve. You're killing your area. You're trying to do it tight. Nah, use all of the area. Swoop. It's a swoop. See, you tried to do it short again. Look, stop. Look where you tried to start your U-turn from, right there. When you could have swooped, swoop. You killing your space. You tried to make the U-turn from there to there. Swoop, swoop. Use your space properly. It's a space management thing. Riding the back roads, the track, everything is space management. You just tried to do it from right, you just went past that band to right there to start your U-turn, where you could have just swooped this whole thing. And it's literally just a confidence thing. It's a control and confidence. It's a swoop, it's a swerve. It really is. Don't make it hard, because it's a fun, easy thing. It's the same as this, I'm telling you, it's exactly the same as a scooter. Turn, yeah, swoop it. You let the clutch out. Stop. Let the clutch out. As long as you've got drive, it's going. It's very easy. Yo, you're coming in here on second, and you're coming in here and you're pulling the clutch in and you're holding the clutch in and the clutch is staying in, and then you start your turn and your clutch is still in, and then you're letting it out in the turn, which is doing this. Hold this, I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to do. You're looking at it like, oh man, that's hard. It's really not hard. It just takes a little bit of confidence that the machine isn't gonna fall over. Yeah, you think that it is, but it doesn't. You don't have to go as fast as I just went, none of that. All you have to do is just get to the point where it's doing it on its own that you're comfortable with. That could be a real shallow turn where the bike is sitting more upright, but on the you know, close to the lock, like how I just did it. You could do it faster where it's leaning over and you're going wider. But the whole point is to go around, be able to do the U-turn, because these things seem like super simple, super dumb, right? But like once you get out there really riding, having the confidence to know that this shit won't fall over, and you can boop, 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 hit curves, islands, nooks, crannies, between trees, the motherfucker sliding on grass.
One eternity later.
Stay in second. Yes. Yeah. He just got to get that confidence, man. The Zuma was easy. That's why we upgraded from the Zuma. I felt like he got it too easy and he was maxing himself out. And yes. Now, remember what I said, right-handed people, the right side is the hardest side. So I'm making him start on the hardest side first. He's gonna swoop in on the left side real easy. Because remember, this is double movement. 1, 2, instead of just 1. Yep, that's what I want. God damn. Damn, that motherfucker had that shit tight as hell. All right, Jalen, grab that little blue oil. Come on over here, buddy. See that thing that you could twist right there? That's your oil cap. Yep. It might be tough. It might not be. That's the wrong way. Yep, yep. There you go. Go. Now does that look different?
Okay, now. Yeah.
See that difference? Now this is actually straight up and down. Look at it. Where's it at?
I can't see. Just on the switch. And then when you start to lean, it's like half. It's like. Now
That's halfway.
Yeah. Some more gap and then more. Yeah, that's good.
No, because this is how it should be with the kickstand. That's so it's gonna be a little high, but let's see. Tight, everything's tight.
Yeah.
All right, first oil change. First good handling. It's all about that confidence. Confidence in everything. Confidence of filling that oil. Confidence of riding that motorcycle. Confidence of controlling. Confidence when it's falling over. You ain't about to let that shit go nowhere. It's all about confidence. That's exactly what motorcycling is all about. Motorcycling is a confidence thing. When a fool riding timid, I could see it. I could see a fool riding timid. So motorcycling is about confidence. You look like power, you ride like power, you move like power. You don't get timid and be underpowered.
I'm getting more comfortable shifting, at least. In general, I'm getting more comfortable on the bike itself.
Period, yes. Period. Yes, but that's what it's all about. The more comfortable you get, the more control you have, the more confidence you build, the better a biker you are.
Daddy, McKay and me and Mommy gonna have a girls' day, and boys not allowed because.
Hey, so what? I'm a man. I don't give a damn. I do this stuff.
McKay said period and I'm like, period.
So what? Coley,
Yeah.
love you.